Okay, guys, we were on this random server, and I convinced the owner that Honeyface was a celebrity,
Oh yeah.
and
I
Honeyface is the second member of Team Vixia. We're both the owners, and we're kind of the creators. But yeah, Honeyface, do you want to do the honors to ban him?
Yep.
Okay, wait, make sure you type in his name right, okay?
G capital God's lowercase x N
Look, look.
O
Wait.
S lowercase x. You cannot ban that player.
You have to de-op him first.
Is it space diop? What is it?
Here. It's that slash diop. And then
Oh,
space their name. Oh yeah, okay. Did you do it?
yep. Oh yeah.
Op me. Op me, op me, op me.
Can you say something real quick?
It's just Zetril. I mean, it's not...
Just say something. Oh wait, never mind. I remember how to spell it.
Okay.
And plus, you just said something. There you go. Yeah. Yay. Hold on, I want to mess around on the server a bit.
Okay, I called it a nyan cat. I wanted to destroy this a second I came
Hold
on the
on,
server.
I want to break the sand. Only because I can. Woo! They don't have world edit, so this is fun. This is so fun.
Wait. Oh, it's burning. It's literally burning. I just love servers.
How do we join factions? How do we join factions?
Do slash F join. It's this.
F join.
Kids, it's a...
Yo, he's so... How much you want to bet he's so mad? Breaking into the dwarves. Okay, guys.
Oh shit, he's an op. De-op him.
That went wrong.
Shit. Well, I'm still,
You want to try it on a different server?
we did some damage.
Is he talking to you? You know what you should do? Say, oh snap, I'm op again. Can you un-op me? Like, say, Honeypix has control over the panel. He just op me. And then tell, no, like, say, wait, no, I gotta figure this out. Wow. Okay, I don't know. If Team Kittens was on, and we found a server and we got the owner to join your server, we could hack his server.
One sec. I'm gonna make some TNT. Swapsicus, because that's just my favorite thing in the world to do.
Add kittens. See if... Like, it didn't say Duckface joined for me.
Oh yeah, it did for me. I just didn't know he was op. I just thought he was just a regular player. I mean, literally, how would we know that the one guy who joins was an op?
Seriously. That was pretty fun, though. It was fun.
And now he just left the game, like, just leaving me here. He said, Tisk, I'm ashamed of you. I mean, literally, I'm blowing up your spawn right now. I mean, are you really that dumb?
You know what we should do? I'm gonna look up Forsock. on for Minecraft, and if I can find that,
Okay, I
hack
destroyed
dash
the...
on April 2012.
I just destroyed half of their spawn.
Nice. Season session stealer.
I told you to...
Here today I'm
I told you to de-op him.
I right when I hit T, it says you are no longer op, and then I got banned.
Yeah, that really sucks. I'm pretty sure he's still on, but he's not talking to me.
I'm gonna mute my mic.
Okay. See, did that hit it? Oh, let's see. I'm gonna see if I can play this so I don't get banned.
Okay, I found one, and basically,
Oh crap. He's
excuse me, several
yeah, I'm so banned. Oh, this TNT exploding is music to my ears.
I have a question. Can I test something out on your server?
I'm sure.
It's a first force op.
Oh damn it! I couldn't put out my link before they banned me. Well, that was successful.